Hey guys, and welcome back to another unboxing. Alright, so for this week's haul, we're doing a Hirono haul in honor of Hirono's birthday, 4/27. So today we've got 5 boxes from the Shelter series.
1 box from the Mime series, and 4 from the Tamed Wildgrass.
And then as a bonus, we got our hands on Hirono's Wellpharmacy. We'll also be unboxing this one today.
Yay.
So for Hirono's Shelter, we have mantle clock, traffic cone. We've pulled traffic cone a couple times.
Oh, yeah.
We have alien, and then we have birdie. So birdie, we brought home, I think, a total of 4 times. Yeah. So for a couple of hauls, we were suffering from like the birdie dupe curse, and then we got alien, which broke. Oh no.
We got traffic cone.
We got traffic cone, which broke the birdie curse, and then we got alien, which broke the dupe curse. So we felt confident enough to go back to the series and then pull and start bringing more of these home again. So I know we're hoping for the candle holder. That's our #1 chase.
Yeah.
For me, I would really like Warrior from this set as well.
Yeah, that's a good one. I would really like Circus and Fort. I would really like Poet.
Okay, and surprisingly, I've seen this one on some social media and it's a lot cuter than I thought it would be. Cabin's also one of the ones I want, and also because we bought Caged Bird from Tamed Wildgrass, like I think last week.
Yeah.
I would also like to bring home Birdcage.
Oh, yeah.
Just because they're both like, there he is.
Yeah.
Doop, 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 doop. I would also like to bring Birdcage just like to match the whole Birdcage theme.
Yeah. That's cool.
All right.
And of course, the secret, obviously.
Oh yeah, oh my god, the secret I definitely want from this series for sure. Like I want it so bad. I think I would buy it confirmed.
Oh yeah.
But yeah.
Chasing it would be fun.
Chasing it would be fun. We have heard that it's pretty like distinct in the box.
Yeah.
So the hard part is actually finding it in the wild, but then I guess once you do feel it, you should know that it is the secret.
But because it's so obvious, I'm sure a lot of people are out there
looking for it, right?
So.
Yeah, even at our Pop Mart, there's like a couple people who secret hunt.
Yeah,
so
they just go in and they just like shake boxes and then they leave.
Yeah, or no, they go in, they shake boxes, they pick it up, and then they place it around the store so that employees can come and refill it.
Oh,
that's why they leave the boxes all around the store.
Wow, I didn't know that was a thing.
It's kind of crazy.
Shout out to the Pop Mart employees.
Yeah, right. Y'all be working. So we're just going to get into it with box 1 from Hirono's Shelter series. Happy birthday, Hirono!
Oh, spoilers. Look at that. 3, 2, 1.
And it's...
Oh!
Yes! We finally brought the candle holder home. And just the back of the shelter card.
Nice. Let's assemble him.
Oh yeah, that's right. He came with a piece. This was the spoiler.
Yeah. It was right on top.
Aww.
But I didn't see it. I was like...
The Hirono Chaka collab.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
He looks so sad. It's just like his eyes are purely, almost all black.
Right, almost completely black.
It's like,
I really like the shiny finish of the wax in contrast to like the matte of the holder.
Oh yeah.
Is the holder textured?
It is.
Nice.
It is textured.
The detail.
You can see that. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
his face. It's like he's sad that the candle is like almost done.
He's burning out.
That's how I feel when I light a candle and it's almost gone. It's like, oh, dang it.
Gotta buy another one.
That's how the flame looks. Love the colors on this one.
Yay. I'm so glad to put that one on our shelf.
Yeah.
It's stunning.
Would have been cool if it like lit up too.
Imagine.
Like the top.
Oh, yeah. Missed opportunity, but
It's okay.
Still
It's okay.
great.
They had a budget.
yeah. Oh, right in the middle. Box number 2 for Hirono's shelter. Three, 2, 1. And it's... Oh, cute. Who is this one? Sunny Doll.
Aww.
The card for Sunny Doll while he gets appropriate. Oh my gosh, that's kind of like macabre, the string at the top of them.
Oh. Blue hair, blue eye, Hirono.
Oh, no way! That's kind of like the Grim Reaper, except his blue hair is a lot bluer. I think the Grim Reaper is black-haired, blue-eyed.
And the eyes are more saturated.
Yeah. Amazing. A party hat or another traffic cone on this one?
Party hat.
Aww.
But yeah, this one's a little...
Dark.
Yeah.
Like it gives off a more, I wouldn't say gloomy, grim feeling. Not grim. It's more serious.
Yeah.
It's just a little bit more serious. But it's still kind of whimsy because of that smiley face on
Yeah, I know.
They're like, just kidding.
Like, ooh, too dark. What can we do to make it a little bit more whimsy? Let's add a smiley face.
And the party hat.
And a party hat, yeah. But if you remove the party hat and the smiley face,
Yeah.
it's like, oh. The rain boots kind of give, like, it vibes.
Oh my god. I like the color of them, yellow, for this whole like palette. Oh,
right
yeah, and
here.
then yellow around the hood, yeah.
Cute.
Yes, number 2.
Here's box number 3 from the Shelter series. All of these feel so similar, like the shake.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And how full they are.
I'm like scared of getting dupes.
Does one of them feel like the cabin? All right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And it's... Oh, yay! What's this one?
Bird.
The bird cage.
That's what it's called, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, bird cage. White-haired Hirono.
And it has the starry pattern.
Oh, cute! From Staying Up.
Saying, yeah.
Oh my gosh. And he has a hole in his blanket. The fluff is coming out. What is that, a ship? Oh, it's a patch.
It's a patch.
Aww. Warm and safe.
I like the detail where like some parts of the cage is like broken.
Mm-hmm. That one also has a loop at the top.
Oh yeah.
And guest appearance. Cute. It's like one's the older brother and one's the little brother.
The quality of the cage, like, definitely improved in the Wildgrass compared to this one.
Yeah. There's a little bit more detail.
And it's, like, more finished.
Oh.
Whereas this one is, like, I don't know, kind of spotty.
Yeah.
Love it. And this is box number 4 for the Shelter series.
Oh. And 3, 2, 1. And it's...
Oh, Circus!
And it's Circus.
Nice.
This kind of is giving Le Petit.
Oh, yeah.
Why?
Maybe the colors and...
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I think it is the colors for me. And the star on the belt.
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah.
He definitely belongs, or he could belong in this.
Guest appearance.
Okay.
Look.
Yeah.
Red, and then the star belt too.
Yeah.
And the striped shirt.
Color.
The blue pants.
Same universe.
Yeah.
I wasn't a huge fan of like the circus themed figures that we get, but they definitely grow.
Yeah.
They grew on me at least.
Yeah, I remember not liking the circus themed, the one for Monsters Carnival and Skull Panda's Images of Reality. Yay! Box number 5 from the Shelter series. Okay. 3, 2, 1. And it's... Oh!
Fort.
Fort.
Right?
Yeah, Fort.
Oh, nice.
Card. And it's Fort.
Love it. And this reminds me of the Finding Makoko one.
Yeah. And
Oh, guest appearance.
guest appearance.
Nice. Oh, look, blues too. He has like blue. How cool.
That one's cool. It's like a castle. If we can collect enough of them, we can make a castle. Yay!
No dupes.
I know, no dupes and 5 different ones.
Yeah.
The curse is broken!
These were our targets. And then this was a bonus.
The number 1 target was candle
yeah.
holder for sure. This was the whole...
Love that one.
Yeah, so glad we finally got that one. All right, so now we're moving on to the Mime series, and this is box number 1 of 1, the only one. This one,
oh, yeah.
what?
You shook this one, I think.
Yeah.
In the store.
It felt okay. It's just really full. There's no movement. Like the desiccant doesn't even have room to move around. So
Secret?
right, but I feel like the secret has protrusions, right? But it kind of feels like this one is encased in plastic. So I'm kind of hoping Drifter, Guardian, or Devilry, or even Patience. I would love Patience.
Yeah, I like the nail on the ground.
Yeah.
It's connected to his kite. That's great.
Like if it's not the secret, then I think it's in plastic, which is why it's not moving.
Oh, yeah. And we already have Seeker.
Oh yes.
Poem.
Poem we got a dupe of too.
Yeah. And I think that's the only ones we have.
We only have 2 from this series?
Yeah.
No, we have Fool.
Fool. Oh, we do. Yeah, yeah. So 3.
Yeah, we've got 3.
Okay. Yeah.
So good chance for no dupes. Yeah. Alright, so box 1 of 1, the only one. What?
Spoiler.
Oh.
I saw a spoiler, but I forgot what it is.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. And it's...
Oh,
no! It's the Fool. We already have him. Wow, he was like really stuffed in there.
I know, there was like no
And it...
movement at all. I didn't...
Yeah.
It did feel like he had like he was in a plastic.
Yeah, because
casing.
you could kind of... The box just felt really, really full.
Wow.
Well, I guess, right, the shelter curse was broken and it just moved on to another one. All right, so...
Box number 1 for the Tamed Wildgrass series. I'm not recording.
Tony. All right. Well,
Yeah.
okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And it's... Oh! Digital bind! No. Oh! Live under receipts! Or is it live under receipts?
Wow. I'm just trying to read all the items on the receipts.
On his grocery list?
Yeah.
What does that say? Carbon Mother Craft Headband.
Cotton, clothes, wine, fleece jacket. I just see thank you. See you soon.
His coupon hat. Holding scissors. I wonder what that's about. Oh, maybe because he's cutting coupons.
Yeah.
The Hirono shopping bags, looking like us walking out of Pop Mart.
I would want to get a shopping bag like this.
Yes, that says Hirono.
Or like a tote bag.
That would be cute. Pop Mart, get on it.
Love it.
Yay! first one down. Box number 2 for the Tamed Wildgrass. Three, two, one.
Hey.
Oh. And it's... Oh, it's Can Dreams. Oh my gosh. Dude, this one was freaking heavy.
Yeah. Is it a shark?
No.
Oh, it's a fish.
Yeah.
He looks over it, or like he's tired.
His dreams are canned.
Love it.
Guest appearance.
Supermarket things.
Yeah. The wacky Mart. Yay, number 2. And now, box number 3 for Tamed Wildgrass. Three, two, one, and it's... Oh, this is Overload.
Yeah.
Wow. Physics next. PE class is done. Math is his favorite. Wow, he's a math kid. Oh, the little fortune on his head.
Yeah.
What does that say? Fool? Fool? You fool?
What does the fortune say?
Square root of 2 over 2.
Equations.
Cute.
Love it.
There's some like writing on his desk too.
Oh, there is.
Yeah.
Fighting.
Is that an equation? Oh yeah, it's the
Yeah.
same thing that's written on his hat. I think it's the same ones.
Oh, he got an F.
Hirono. What's beneath Hirono?
Where? Oh. Math.
Math? I thought you were a math boy,
Kind of
Hirono.
says match.
Is that his last name?
Oh, I don't know.
Hirono's last name just dropped, y'all.
Yeah, I don't know.
Mm.
Got 59. Oh, more.
More math. This guy's going through it.
Cool. His black hair is so like...
Matt.
Yeah.
Mm. He's so sad. All right, and box number 4, the last one for Tamed Wildgrass today. Whoa, everything's bursting out of the pack.
Oh, it's a small one.
3, 2, 1. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, boiling frog. Here we go. Shoop.
This one was my least favorite out of the series.
But
What
this
about
one's
you?
so cute. I actually like this one. I was looking forward to seeing it, yeah. You know what they say about boiling a frog? Put it in warm water and it'll just sit there until it boils.
What? I didn't know that.
Yeah. You throw it into a boiling pot, it'll jump out. But if you drop a frog in warm water and set it to a slow boil, you'll cook it.
Oh.
So I think that's what it's symbolic of. You're slowly cooking and you're feeling the heat.
That's so sad. The frog eyes are like,
Yeah.
it looks like it's being tortured.
Hirono's little beads of sweat. Oh.
I think that's why this was like my least favorite, because he's like being boiled.
But as an adult, it's just so relatable.
Relatable.
What is the number on the patch on the hood?
41.8.
Oh, okay. I thought it was 427.
Oh.
All right.
No dupes for that series.
Yeah. And now for the finale, we will be unboxing or unpackaging
Unpackaging.
Wellpharmacy.
So we got this off of Whoopi, and it took 2 weeks to get to us. And we've kind of been sitting on it and waiting for a special day, and that day has come. But yeah, really wanted this Hirono because it's like healthcare related.
And AJ's a healthcare provider, if you don't know.
Yes, I am. So this was really cool that they did that, and I really wanted it, and it looks great.
And I keep telling AJ, you know, when we pop this open, you're going to have to take photos of it in your office. So that photo shoot to come soon.
Soon, yeah. It'll be fun. All right. Shall we? The shelf.
Oh, they open. There's stuff in
items.
it.
Oh, how cool.
Very cool. I'll unpackage these. Or do I keep them in packaging?
No, unpackage. Get the full effect. We see his teeth.
Oh, yeah, what the heck? I don't think we've ever seen Hirono's teeth before.
Oh, this is kind of the same pattern as the pillow.
Poem?
No, staying up.
Oh, it is, isn't it? He is.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, look at us connecting the dots, but then also poem.
Oh, yeah, he's wearing the same.
But no
outfit.
detail on the pillow. So maybe he is.
Wow. Cool. Same universe. Wellpharmacy. Can't tell if that's just like the detail or if it's just like a marking. Oh, yeah, it came off.
Oh, nice.
There's like a marking on it.
And his teddy right next to him.
Looks like his teddy had some work done too. He has like bandages on the ear. Just
All of
similar
his
to like
plushes,
the plushies.
yeah.
35 on his arm.
And he's holding a pill. If we had, what is it, the merchant from Le Petit?
Oh, yeah.
Another universe tie-in.
Nice. And then this is the little drawer shelf. The little book. Does the book open?
No.
Oh. Cute. I love miniature things. Prescription pads.
Yeah, is that what that is?
Not sure, but I would think so. Yeah, it might be prescription pads.
Yeah, if any of you know, feel free to let us know.
So cool. And I believe he just like sits on top of this.
So cute.
Love that.
Yeah.
Is that all? Oh, we had one dupe.
Yeah, sadly, we had one dupe this week, which is actually
It's
amazing.
fine.
Yeah, so not upset, not too upset about it. But, alright, AJ, so if you had to pick one favorite for the week, which one's it gonna be?
Ooh, I think my favorite would have to be Pharmacy.
Yeah.
I really like that one.
If you weren't gonna pick that one, I was definitely gonna pick that one.
Oh, really?
But I think you know what my favorite's gonna be.
Yeah.
My favorite is gonna be candle holder. Yeah, that one I've been wanting for a while.
Yeah, that one's
And we
stunning.
finally got it. So I'm really happy to have him. All right, you guys, well, that does it for Hirono's birthday haul. Thanks for sticking around, and hopefully we catch you guys again in the next one. Bye.